Moses Video Game Kid, and I am gonna show you my first night of Steve and Minecraft Lego. So here it is. You could see this awesome. It has a lot of awesome details, and this part comes off too, so you could go see inside. I'll show you inside in a minute. Well, this is a really good place. Like I built it, and it's a really good set. I love it. So that's basically minifigures. Here we have this pig. 1 minute, I just have to get something to stand on it. Nope. One second, I'll just get something to stand it on. There's the pig. This is the creeper. And Steve with a wooden axe. Now let's get to the set. So here's the front. So inside we have the chest, the crafting table, the torch you can see there, that thing that you pickaxe goes, she is supposed to be not there, and the coal machine thing, a desk, and a bed. That's the inside. Now let's go on the outside. So here is the outside. So like here we have like a little fence that goes back and forth. Some flowers over here, and this is where the pig goes. This is where the creeper goes. And whoa! Something almost broke. So, and here's Steve's go on top of here. That is it. That is it for our Minecraft Lego video, and I'll see you later. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.